welcome back. Today I am going to be unboxing my Topbox with you. This is for the June box. If you aren't familiar with Topbox, it is a Canadian monthly beauty subscription. It is $12 plus tax in Canada, and it is free shipping everywhere in Canada as well. With Topbox, they do say you get between 4 and 5, I believe, maybe 4 and 7 deluxe size and travel size items every month. Occasionally you do get full size items as well, and I know not everyone is always impressed with what comes in Topbox, but lately I have been really impressed with what I have been getting and the value in the boxes, because a lot of the times it's upwards of $60 or $70 worth of product in the actual box when I'm only spending $12 plus tax. So let's see what I got in my June box. Okay, the first thing in here I knew was coming. Everyone, I'm just gonna put the actual box down. Everyone, I don't know if everyone's getting a complimentary sample, but they did send an email out. Speak clearly, Leah, use words. Topbox did send an email out, or Topbox Circle, one of their other affiliates, sent an email out just asking if you would be interested in having a Schick Intuition razor free, and I said yes. So this came in the box. It does say complimentary. Okay, let's see. The next item that I have here is by Biotherm, and it's the Life Plankton Essence. All skin types. Fundamental skin treatment. So this is what? An essence? A serum? I don't know. I should probably show it to you. This is what it looks like. You get a generous amount in there. How much is in here? 14 mils. Not bad. We'll put that to the side. What else do we have here? Oh, we have something by Clarins, or from Clarins, and it's the water lip stain. Ooh, I wanted to try one of these. This is the aloe vera one, it looks like. Okay, and this is what it looks like. And it's just like a lip oil, and it's tinted. It's got the red on it, but it doesn't show up that bright on the lips by any means. I'm excited to have this. Yay! Moving along, we have a mask. It's by Purlisse, and it's the Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask. Ooh, I can use some energy sometimes. And this is infused with watermelon, aloe vera, and cucumber. And restorative Asian botanicals. Cool. Can't wait to see what a sheet mask on my face for 5 minutes does. Will it erase all the signs of aging? Who knows? And the last item in my regular box is in bubble wrap. That's always promising. Ooh, and it's by Dirty Little Secrets. And it is a bronzer. Cool. So this is what the packaging looks like. We're going to swatch it on this hand, because this hand has all kinds on it. This actually looks like it might be a nice contour shade. I don't think this is going to be warm enough as a bronzer, but I like that. I can always use a good contour shade, especially because I go through those pretty quickly. So that's what it looks like. I don't mind this. I've had one other thing by this brand before. I had a liquid lipstick years ago. But it was bright red and it wasn't something I wore, so I decluttered it, but excited to try that out. If you aren't familiar, again, with Topbox, they do offer things called privé boxes every month, which you can opt out of your regular box for one of the specialty boxes that they offer, and you would know what is in it. For example, they've sometimes done a full-size NARS concealer, or they might do a set of all different perfume samples, or they might do some sort of lotion, and a lot of times the things that you're getting, if it's one item, will be full size. So that's pretty cool, because you're getting a really amazing deal, only paying your $12 for the box and then getting that. But again, you have to swap out your regular box in order to get that. Another thing that Topbox does is they have something called a beauty surprise, and sometimes it happens every month, and sometimes it's every other month, and then this time I think it was like 3 months. But they do offer something called a beauty surprise. So for an additional $10, you get something in your box that is a surprise. And with the beauty surprise, it doesn't matter if you're getting a regular box or a privé box, you can still go ahead and purchase the beauty surprise if you get there in time. They do run out, and then you might not get one. This month I had seen some unboxings, and some people were getting Drunk Elephant and some people were getting Caudalie, and so I wasn't sure what I was gonna get, but I got this by Bite Beauty. It's the Agave lip mask, and I'm not mad about this because I've wanted to try this before, but I definitely don't want to fork out the money for it. This is $20 odd, something odd dollars. And yeah, it's not something I want to pay for, but always something I've wanted to try. So I'm happy that I have this. I think it's pretty cool. Not the value necessarily that you would get if someone got the Drunk Elephant, because those ones are close to $100 in value, but I'm more likely to use this than I would the moisturizer anyway, so I'm happy that I got this instead. Again, I've never used this. It's sealed. I've used Bite lipsticks before, but I've never used the Agave the Agave lip mask. So I'm just gonna put some on my dirty finger here. I'm not gonna put it on my lips right now. Ooh, it's very thick. I wasn't expecting that. Ooh, I like the smell. It's very, what is it? I don't know. It's kind of sweet. It reminds me of something, but I can't put my finger on it. And I know everyone out there that uses this is like, it smells like that, but I have no clue right now. Again, end of a long day, and my brain is just not functioning well enough to figure that out. So I think that's a pretty good box for Topbox this month. I have no idea what this Biotherm thing does, but the rest of it I'm excited to try out and use. So I'm just gonna very quickly add this up. I'm just going to very quickly add up these items here so that I can let you know what the value of my box actually was. So the total value for my regular box is $35.74. And from what I can tell, it looks like this Dirty Little Secrets bronzer, which I don't think I mentioned, but it's in the shade Terracotta. This is full size from what I can tell. So that was $14. This Clarins lip oil is $10 for this size. This Purlisse mask is worth $3, and this was worth $8 and some change. I'm not sure. And as I mentioned, we did get the, where did I put it? This thing, the razor, which was a nice surprise, which bumped the value of this box up, even though I know, or I'm pretty sure not everyone was receiving this. Maybe they did throw it in everyone's box. I'm not sure. I just know I did get an email at one point asking about it. As for this Bite lip mask, Agave lip mask, is that what it is? Yes. Bite Beauty Agave lip mask. This is a retail value of $30. So that's not bad. For the total value of what I spent on this box, including the beauty surprise, it was around $22 plus tax. And my value that I got out of this box was $65 plus some change. So not too bad for this month's box at all. Let me know in the comments below if you get Topbox and what you received this month. What beauty surprise did you get? Because I haven't seen anyone get this one yet, but I've seen a bunch of other skincare ones going around. Be curious to know. If you are interested in learning more about Topbox, I will leave a link in the description box below so that you can go and check it out. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.